What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We finally got the car back in our shop and we just threw on the front end just to see how it's gonna look. Check it out. It looks amazing, man. We haven't seen it actually. We haven't really seen it put together in person like this. This is our first time. We just threw it on just to see how it's gonna look. So today we're actually gonna be focusing mostly on the interior. We're finally gonna put the seat belts in and the back Alcantara cover. We might throw the seats in as well, but we don't know for sure because we still need to get our dashboard, and that might be easier to put in with the seats out, but we might just throw them in there just to have them sitting in there. So yeah, let's get to work, guys.
Is that the guy that skipped leg day talking?
Alright guys, so we got the heater right here. This little tab broke off. As you can see, it goes right here. So it only goes with like a clip goes in here, so it doesn't hold major weight or anything. So we are going to just solder this back on and just make it look all nice. This is all the inside the interior, so you can't see it anyways, but we're gonna make it look good, so let's just get to it.
Alright guys, we're about to actually pop this heater core in and then put the carpet in and the sway back wall.
installed as much as we could on the interior. We are going to move to the front end due to the dashboard. It got a little bit held up. We thought it was going to be here today. We can install it, and we cannot install anything else until we install the dashboard, because the dashboard doors screw on the bottom. Also, this bracket over here, as you can see, it's bent everywhere. This is supposed to be straight. Everything's bent. So I'm gonna look into this and try to figure out this problem as soon as possible. But right now we're gonna try to do. Right now what we're going to do is we're gonna remove the bumper back, the headlights, and we're gonna start working on the front end, kind of inside a little bit. Do the whole wiring or whatever needs to be done here. Put everything back in place. All the AC pipes, everything. So yeah, let's just get to the front end and see what we can. See how far we get with that. So let's do it. Alright, so you can see this radiator, IC condenser, the fan, everything's crumbled up. This is the old one from the damage, so we got the new fan, the AC condenser, and the radiator. So we're just basically gonna pull everything, all the bolts, screws, everything from here, and put that one back together and put it on the car. Make it in here. Dude, this is beautiful. Everything is coming by like so perfectly.
Go get you guys' DDE merch.
Oh shit, I actually hit it.
Alright guys, so we installed everything we could on the front end of the car right here. You can see all this was empty. It's pretty much all put together. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to salvage as much parts as we can from the old bumper onto the new bumper, the parking sensors, the wiring, the forged carbon lip. So yeah, let's get to it and let's throw everything on the new bumper. This is this is I think just like a duct, right? So you call
Duct,
it
yeah.
duct. So basically, I guess when you put it in sport mode, it opens up, right, for more air.
I guess, yeah, it increases airflow into it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That goes like on the bottom of the front bumper. It actually goes underneath, on the bottom of the bumper. So the air goes from the bottom. That's a Performante for you. This right here is the forged carbon lip. You guys could see it's a little bit, it's broken on the edge right here. This side is just a little bit cracked on the bottom, nothing from the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually try to fix this because this is really expensive. I think this is, I don't know, around maybe like $3,000 or something. All the forged carbon for this car is really expensive. So we're actually gonna try to fix this. You can see the clear bra really saved it. All the pieces are still intact. So we're gonna try to fix it with like some, maybe I think like clear epoxy or something, right? Because it has this like clear look in it. So and then probably sand it down, buff it out, and make it look like it wasn't there. So we'll see if we can save this. So for now, we're just gonna continue with bumper. We obviously cannot salvage this one, we got a new one, but I'm just taking it off because I need the two little screws that's for it just to put on to that one. So alright guys, we pretty much completed the bumper. All we gotta do is just fix that forged carbon lip, and we're getting so close to getting the Performante to the finish line. And it's actually getting late, so we're gonna call it a night, and we're gonna be back here tomorrow, and hopefully the dashboard, right? Hopefully the dashboard is ready and we can complete the interior and start throwing on all the body panels and get some cooling inside, maybe get it started. And yeah, so I guess we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, this is already the next day, and we got some bad news and some good news. Bad news is we still did not get our dashboard, so we cannot complete the interior. But good news is we're gonna try to complete as much of the front end as we can. You can see we already pretty much installed all the radiators, the front radiator, both of the side radiators. So it's pretty much coming to a finish already, the front end. All we're gonna have to do is throw on all the plastics, the little tub, the little trunk that goes in the front. Yeah,
It's called a frunk, actually.
the frunk. Yeah, the frunk. Yeah, we get those mixed up because this is the first car we have with the engine in the back, so we get stuff confused over here. So yeah, we're gonna try to kill as much as we can, and let's just get to it, not kill any time, and just, you know, do as much as we can, pretty much. All right.
Yeah, guys, let's get it done. finally got the driver's side headlight in. Now we're about to hop over to the passenger side, get that one in too.
Alright guys, we're almost done with the interior of the frunk, as they call it. So you can see that we just kind of put these pieces just to see kind of how it looks. We did not tighten anything yet. We still have to work a little bit with the battery. We're missing a sensor over there. And one more thing we ran into is we're missing this main piece right here that goes right there. It's like a cover for the window wipers and all this good stuff. So you can see this is the old one, it's broken. I thought I ordered it. I could have sworn I ordered it, but I guess either maybe we can't find it, it's gonna come up. But we went ahead and ordered a new one, so hopefully it's gonna be by the end of this week. And one more thing is the dashboard. Like I said earlier, sadly they're still not done with it, so we're waiting on the dashboard. And I think 2 more trimmings that go in here that we are missing. So when we start putting everything together, we notice we miss little parts here and there, because it was a lot of parts. As you can see, this whole area was like pretty much all stacked with Lamborghini parts. Now all they're going off the shelf back into the car, but it's coming along nicely. And so hopefully soon we're gonna complete this car. So the video is coming to an end. We're gonna end it right here, and for the next video we're gonna complete the dash, the interior. Sorry about that. We're gonna hopefully install those seats, those beautiful seats over there. We're gonna get the car started. We're gonna reprogram it, make it run. So if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of plans for the future and new builds. And I hope you guys like this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe, and catch us in the next video when we're finishing the interior. Peace.